What is the difference between see, look, watch and read?
English together.
In this video, we're going to look at the differences between see, look, watch and read. All four words are verbs, and all of them involve using our eyes. See. See is the most general word. Its basic meaning is that we notice something or someone by using your eyes. For example, I see a cat. Because I notice a cat by my eyes. So we use see here. Some other examples. Did you see the full moon last night? He turns the light up so he can see. Look. Look means to turn your eyes toward something so that you can see it. And then we pay attention to it. For example, she is looking at the toys. She turns her eyes toward the toys and pay attention on them. So we use look here. Please look at the picture in your book. He looked at the bill before he paid it. Watch. Watch is quite similar to look. However, the way we use them is different. Watch is to look at something for a period of time, really looking carefully. And normally the object is moving or changing. For example, I watch TV. Because the TV screen moves, we use watch. I watch YouTube video. You have watched this movie for 3 times already. Read. Read is to look at words or symbols and understand what they mean. For example, my father reads newspaper every day. In short, if you are talking about something that your eyes simply observe, you can use see. If you are directing your eyes at something, use look. And if you are paying attention to something, like a game or television program, for a period of time use watch. If you are looking at words or symbols and understand them, you use read.
Remember to like, share and subscribe our channel.